Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Popple Backyard Farm, and I am going to bake a cake on the grill. But before we get started, let me show you what's happening here because I think you're going to love this. This is a box mix because I just didn't want to do all the work of a homemade thing. I've got a lot of work going on. I'm still doing my dishes over here and all that. So this is a nice quick way to surprise your family with a cake, and we're going to have this little piece at lunch and freeze the rest. But I want to share the recipe with you here. So it says 1.5 cups water. Well, I want this to taste really good, so I'm using half and half instead of water. It says 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, which I did use vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. And because I know the cake will taste better with more eggs, I put in 5. So this is a thing to upgrade your triple chocolate fudge cake mix or any cake mix. You can just add different kind of ingredients. I'm going to add a little hint of vanilla in this as well. And if you don't have the half and half, just use regular whole milk or milk instead of water, and see if you can taste the difference when you make a cake. So I am going to start off the cake. I had already moistened my pans with just this good old cheapo Great Value butter flavored spray. And so I'm going to put the mix in, and I'm working one-handed here, but I did want to kind of take you along with us and kind of show you some of the things that happen here at the Popple Backyard Farm. So I'm going to put you on hold and get the next parts going. Now guys, I added in some extra vanilla, which is just pouring it in. And the thing I want to tell you is don't learn recipes, learn methods, and learn to be a taster. It will also help you with your weight loss, which is what I'm trying to do right now. Once you taste something, you don't need to eat the whole thing. You've already gotten the taste of it, so why would you take another bite? And so if you really want the cake to be super great, you're going to want to use a mixer. But I have work to do today, so I'm just going to mix it with this whisk. But usually the more you mix it, the better your cake, getting rid of all those lumps. Everything that you make, you want to learn to make it with love to make it a little bit better. So I'm going to whisk this baby up, pop it in my pans, and then we're going to put it in the grill. Okay, guys? Since I am cooking with love, I found one of these royal chocolate puddings, and I said, hey, let's throw that baby in here. Putting in the mix always makes it a little bit better, so I'm still stirring. Branch is outside here. Gray cat's been coming around, so he wants to be out to see the gray cat. That's a little stray here, been visiting. Okay, let's see here. Let's turn the grill on and get this baby going. So let's see here. Open is this way. Okay, got that open. And turn the grill on for the cake. Heard the burner going. Get this baby preheated. Clay's in the back. Somebody popped over on their lawnmower. To just kind of chuckle about that. Somebody that doesn't live far, just using his lawnmower to pick up some stuff from Clay. So that's what's going on here. And back to finishing up the cake.